Before opening your DVR or removing battery, try this first. It works in many H.264 DVR models. Generic H.264 DVR. No reset button. Step 1. Username. Always type admin. First, try the most common default password, 123456. Erase password. Type 111111. Click Login. Again, error appears. If default passwords don't work, don't worry. In next method, I'll show you master password trick without opening DVR. Some H.264 DVRs have blank password by default. If this works, go immediately to change password.
Problem solved? Subscribe now for more quick DVR fixes. See you in the next one.